Hey guys, welcome to our next PBIS video. And today only can you buy the sounds of chai for our winter season. Please go ahead and donate as quick as you can. How you donate is by logging into PowerSchool. So students, if you need to log into PowerSchool, remember it is your first name dot last name and your student ID. Parents, if you want to get onto PowerSchool, which has many more options for you and gives you a little bit more insight, you go ahead and contact Mary Ellen here at the office, and she will get you all set up so you can keep track of everything that's going on grade-wise for our students here. But if you need to get the sounds of chai, please donate right now, and here are some of the samples. On the first day of hybrid, Miss Hardy gave to me a have a very great day. On the second day of hybrid, Miss Hardy gave to me pull up your mask and have a very great day. On the third day of hybrid, Miss Hardy gave to me 6 feet apart, pull up your mask and have a very great day. You're a mean one, Internet. You really are a heel. When I need to do my work, you're never always there, Internet. Turn your camera on, turn your camera on, please turn it on, please turn it on, turn your camera on. We need to see your funny face, I need to see what you look like, not your forehead or what the ceiling looks like. Yes, I need to see your beautiful face, I need to see your beautiful face, not your initials, not your initials. All I want for Christmas is my kids in class. My kids in class. My kids in class. All I want for Christmas is my kids in class to be back in our school. Sanitize, please. Sanitize, please. Sanitize all of your hands before and after you use the bathroom. Sanitize, please. Sanitize, please. Sanitize your hands. And of course, wash for 30 seconds. A very sincere thank you to all of our administration and staff here, our custodial staff keeping up with everything here at the school. We hope that everybody has a wonderful winter break and enjoys as much as they can their friends and family. We appreciate everything that's going on at home. We know it's a struggle, but we're here to support you, and we thank you for all of your support. So have a great break. Enjoy. I'll see you on the Kahoot. Parents are invited, and don't forget to create your own background. Miss Mel will be sending out information, so you get to create it and show how great you are.